Welcome to Yuantuo Induction, Heating Systems China Co., Limited. Today, we introduce our large diameter seamless steel pipe temperature maintenance induction heating system. The system uses 1000 to 10,000 kilowatts dual rectifier TWELVE pulse or 24 pulse induction power supplies, supporting single unit independent operation or multi-unit parallel operation to meet various production capacities. The feeding system is driven by independent controlled motor reducers on each shaft, equipped with independent frequency converters to achieve flexible speed difference, output, and segmented control, ensuring stable and efficient feeding. 304 non-magnetic stainless steel guide rollers, combined with high-precision digital encoders, achieve automatic positioning, ensuring precise and accurate feeding. The unique feed-forward plus feedback closed loop control technology intelligently adjusts power, maintaining an inlet temperature difference of 300 degrees centigrade and controlling outlet temperature difference within plus or minus 30 degrees centigrade to ensure product quality. The powerful recipe management system automatically calls relevant process parameters after inputting steel grade, outer diameter, and wall thickness parameters, greatly improving operational efficiency. The sensor lifting system automatically adjusts height according to the steel pipe diameter, adapting to different specifications. Yuantuo focuses on customized induction heating solutions to help steel mills achieve efficient and stable production.